Okay, hey, so if you want to practice real life English right now, let's do this together because I'm an English learner and today I would like to take a walk around Moscow and practice English speaking in real life. I'm going to just talk about my life, about my days, and describe everything I see around. So you're going to practice your listening skills, vocabulary, and just have fun time with me. Yeah, guys, first of all, take a look at this just a crazy amount of pigeons. Like, what is going on? The whole square is full of pigeons. It's just full of pigeons, and it's so dirty because like they're pooping and like it's getting dirty so much. Alright, but the view is beautiful anyways. Like today I am in a center, in some park. Right here I'm going to go down with the park and just walk around, if you know what I'm saying. Here is the museum, by the way. This building is a museum and it's quite tall. Yeah, it's cool. It's pretty small and clean park. And look, I see the fire truck. Yeah, right? Is it a fire truck for like firefighters? It's like a job. But why did they put the fire truck here? They also decorated the fire truck with flowers. Nah, it's not a fire truck. It's just a regular car. And here is another car on the other side of the park. Old type of car maybe from 60s or 70s. Also they put flowers on the top of the car. Right there, many flowers. Cameras. All right. And here is like the motorcycle. Hey guys, as you might notice, like, bro, I cut my hair. I got a new haircut because I went to the barber shop and got a haircut. And to be honest, I don't like it that much. Like, I messed up a little bit. Like, it doesn't look that good. But yeah, hopefully in a week. Nah, not hopefully. I know that for sure. I know for sure that in a couple of weeks, in a week, it's going to get back to normal again. Yeah, isn't it? How would you rate this haircut on a scale from 1 to 10? Okay, and here is pretty quiet neighborhood. Just a road down there and restaurants on the sides. No fancy activities, no nothing. Just quiet neighborhoods and little church. See that white building? I am planning to where to go. I guess I'm going to head out toward that side. I don't know why, but I think it looks better than that one. For sure. Let's go down the street. Now guys, I actually changed my mind. And now I'm going to the opposite way. Because this road goes toward the center. And like maybe we are going to see some interesting activities there. And by the way, recent big news in the world, like Spider-Man movie. Have you already watched the new Spider-Man movie? Spider-Man Brand New Day, right? Is that what it's called? Unfortunately, I didn't watch it because in Russia, this movie is going to come out in a cinema only in August 20. In August 20, like, it's like 20 days after the official release in the States. Yeah, it's been already 4 days, and some of you guys texted me in messages like, did I watch it? No, I didn't, and I know that you guys told me that this movie is great, and I'm really excited to see that, because before I saw many theories on Instagram and just across the internet about the movie. Who is going to be the villain? I'm very curious what's really going to happen there. Oh my god. Only in the... But maybe I will find the pirate version, or pirate I can watch for free online on internet. Maybe I will find that version in English, because for me it's preferable to watch in English in original version. It's way better than watching in Russian, because like it's not original voice of the actors. So you can also share your impression on Spider-Man movie in the comments. What do you think about the movie? But no spoilers, please. No spoilers at all, because like I'm trying not to see any spoilers online at all. It's going to be bad if I see some info about the movie that I'm not supposed to know before watching. I don't regret that I went this way at all, because this street is beautiful, but it's so empty. It is so empty in the center. Like no cars, no pedestrian. It's evening, and I have a theory why. Because like during the summer, many people, many residents of the city try to move out of the city to the countryside, you know, to the nature, get kind of wilderness retreats, because it's the time when you have a break at the job, at college, and they try to spend this time in the nature outside, and that's why like the city looks empty, because everybody's gone. They will come back in September, and the city is going to be full of people. Look, they tied the scooter to the pole. They tied it with some kind of rope. Without even realization, guys, I came to the very center of Moscow. Very center. And here we got wildflowers with bees. Filming bees is like a new tradition. The second vlog in a row. I've been filming bees. Bees on a table. Okay. Yeah, I'm just kind of scared to be sitting here, because like I don't want them to bite me. Alright. And right there, as you can see, street musician, street singer, girl is preparing to sing. Alright, let's walk a little bit here. By the way, this girl is already singing. She's kind of warming up. That's crazy, that's phenomenal. And yeah, I love this street with the lights. Maybe you remember I filmed a vlog here in the winter during the Christmas holidays. It was just full of snow. And now it's summer. It's very cozy street, you know, very cozy. The guy is selling water and ice cream. So yeah, this kind of summer days, it's August, like 1 month until going to college. Right now I live, by the way, alone in my dormitory, because my roommates are gone to their hometowns. And I have the whole August just to be walking. I want to just walk around Moscow, around my favorite places. And by the way, I want to guys thank you so much for hitting 40,000 subs on YouTube. For me, like 40,000 subs is very decent number. It's great. Like, I've been just sharing my experience of learning English, and I'm so happy that like I can help people to learn English, that you can be united here and learn together. And I also created like a group chat for English learners on Telegram. So if you want to find a speaking partner or make more friends, you can join the chat as well. And it's just great. So yeah guys, thank you. I'm going to go back now. I wanna go home and I'm going to buy an ice cream. Restaurant. Oh, waiter. He's a waiter. That's his job, to be a waiter. Italian store of women's underwear. Underwear for women. Like panties and bras. Hi. And right there is going to be a grocery store where I'm going to buy an ice cream. Right here, let's go. Getting an ice cream. All right, I bought a vanilla waffle cup or waffle cone. How do we usually call this type of ice cream? Because like it's not a cone technically. I appreciate you. Keep going with the learning English. We're doing your stuff. So yeah, see you. Bye bye.